You were supposed to have located a fresh energon source by now.
Apologies, Lord Megatron. We got a little distracted by the new Autobot who attacked us.
Really? And what new Autobot would that be?
Well,
That is your fearsome new adversary? He's Optimus Prime's medic.
Oh no, Megatron. I am your Doctor of Doom.
All right, then.
For Cybertron!
Ratchet is rather more spirited than I recollect.
chemical enhancement, perhaps?
There's your laboratory sample, Doctor. Find out. If a chemical can do this for Optimus Prime's lapdog, imagine what it could do for our troops.
Optimus, I've been a fool.